और अगर बाहर के व्यू की बात करूं सो व्यू इज फिनोमिनल, जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट द सोसाइटी। हे गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ कॉमन कॉरिडोर। तो आज मैं आया हूं गुड़गांव के सेक्टर 66 यानी कि 66 के एमआर पाम ड्राइव में 2200 स्क्वायर फीट की हमारी 3 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट की जो है ये यूनिट रहने वाली है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। आई एम गोना शो यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। तो हमारी जो यूनिट रहेगी ये रहेगी सन फेसिंग और नॉर्थ एग्जिट। तो चलिए इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। So this is going to be the main entrance guys, और main entrance से अंदर आते ही this is the foyer area that we are getting, और उसी के साथ साथ on my first left hand side this is going to be the first bedroom, और हमारे bedrooms में हमें जो है wooden flooring देखने को मिलेगी। And this is how the first bedroom looks like, you can see. And now talking about the ventilation, so you can see that we are getting a UPVC sliding window over here, और यहाँ का जो view है that is magnificent. So you are getting a proper park view, garden view of the society as well as of the towers. And talking about the almirah, so we are getting almirah of this size in this room. So you can see अच्छा खासा space हमें जो है यहाँ देखने को मिल जाता है। उसी के साथ साथ washroom. So there is a catch in the washroom. So this washroom can also be accessed from the outside. So this washroom can be used as a bathroom for this room as well as a powder room from the outside. And there is one more exit that can be accessed from here. We'll talk about that later on. और जब इस room से बाहर निकलेंगे, again this is going to be the foyer area, that is your servant room. We'll talk about that later on. First, have a look at the kitchen. So this is how the kitchen looks like with ample amount of spaces over here. ऊपर भी नीचे भी your gas hob is going to be there. Electric chimney is going to be there. To top of it, there is going to be a UPVC sliding window for the ventilation. This is going to be your sink area. Dual sink is going to be there, and that is your under sink area. और जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था सर्वेंट रूम के बारे में, तो सर्वेंट रूम जो है हमारा डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है किचन से, तो वो हैज द मेन एंट्रेंस, सो दैट कैन सर्वेंट्स कैन डायरेक्टली एंटर इनटू द सर्वेंट रूम एंड दे कैन गो टू द किचन, सो दे वोंट हैम्पर योर प्राइवेसी. To top of it, you are getting a utility balcony that has been attached to the servant room, and this is how it looks like. And this is going to be a servant room, and to top of it, that is going to be a servant's washroom that has been attached to the room. तो चलिए अब यहाँ से बाहर की तरफ चलते हैं. So again from the servant room we are going to be here in the kitchen, और जब kitchen से बाहर निकलेंगे from the same foyer area we'll move towards the living and the dining section. So this is how the living and the dining section looks like. Just have a look at this. और अगर मैं आप लोगों से नेचुरल लाइट की इस टाइम पे बात करूं, सो राइट नाउ इट इज 3:17 इन द आफ्टरनून एंड यू कैन सी कि कितनी ही ज्यादा यहाँ पे जो है नेचुरल लाइट इस टाइम पे अंदर आ रही है. टू टॉप ऑफ इट क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन की बात करूं, सो वी आर गेटिंग अ वेरी गुड क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन ऑन बोथ द साइड्स, एंड दिस इज द व्यू फ्रॉम द डाइनिंग एरियाज विंडो. To top of it, you are getting an independent running balcony that goes from the living area to the master bedroom. So now you can see that we are getting a UPVC sliding door over here. और अगर बाहर के व्यू की बात करूं, so view is phenomenal. Just have a look at the society aerial view that we are getting, and this is the proper garden view of the society. So this is the garden view that we are getting, guys, and you can see that is going to be our clubhouse. So the clubhouse can also be accessible from this tower, you can see, and that is going to be your swimming pool area. Now talking about the sky terraces, so we do have 5 towers of sky terraces, and these are the 5 towers. And talking about the size of the balcony, so you can see you are getting ample amount of space in the balcony. To top of it, this balcony goes running from the living area to the master bedroom. So we'll talk about that later on. Let's get inside. So again, the moment you will come inside, you are going to be here in the living area. So this is your living, that is your dining section. And if you take furthermore, so these are the 2 bedrooms. So let me take you to the second bedroom. So this is how the second bedroom looks like. So this is how our second bedroom looks like, guys. And talking about the balcony, तो हमें independent balcony देखने को मिलती है, but इसका view अलग है. तो view की अगर मैं बात करूँ, so you are getting back side. And this is how the view looks like. To top of it, that is going to be your utility balcony which I just showed you, and this balcony is also very spacious. तो चलिए अब यहाँ से आगे की तरफ चलते हैं towards the walk-in closet. So this is the walk-in closet kind of a feel that you are getting. This is going to be your wardrobe, and on my right hand side that is going to be your washroom. Anti-skid tiles, your wash basin, your mirror. This is going to be your toilet seat, and this portion, and this is going to be your shower area, and that is your window with an exhaust. तो चलिए अब यहाँ से बाहर की तरफ चलते हैं. तो ठीक इस बेडरूम के सामने की तरफ रहेगा गाइस हमारा मास्टर बेडरूम which I was talking about, and this is how the master bedroom looks like. Just have a look at this. And this is the same running balcony which I just showed you from the living area. And talking about the walk-in closet, so you are getting a proper walk-in closet with two big wardrobes. So this is the wardrobe and here is another wardrobe. This is how the washroom looks like, and you are getting an in-house bathtub, and this is how the bathtub looks like. To top of it, dual wash basin is going to be there, a very big platform, your mirror, that's your toilet seat, and this portion is going to be your shower area, and that's your window with an exhaust. तो अगर आप लोगों ने ये वीडियो जो है वो यहाँ तक देख ली होगी, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज रिगार्डिंग एनी प्रॉपर्टी व्हिच वी आर शोइंग टू यू, सो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद अस. हमारा नंबर जो है नीचे यहाँ पे आ रहा होगा, यू कैन कॉल अस. कमेंट सेक्शन में आप जो है अपनी क्वेरी रेज कर सकते हैं. तो मिलते हैं फिर किसी ऐसी और बड़ी ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी की वीडियो में. टिल देन आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ. बाय.